Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. This will be a short one. From Conor Maynard comes Masterpieces, and this is one of them, his masterpiece songs. So we're gonna look at that. With the capo set on the 3rd fret, we have the 4 famous chords. So it's E minor, G, D, and C. Doesn't have to be harder than that. So we're gonna look at the chords first, and it goes like that for E minor, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the G, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time because we want that note, and we can have the 3rd E, but try to stay away from the 3rd E when you do the downstrokes. Okay, then we have the D, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E, and then we have the C. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have the same chord progression through the entire song, and that will be E minor, G, D, and C in the same order we learned them, and we're gonna play it in the following way. That is one round. So you're gonna start with E minor, play 1 down and a clap. I use the clap now only on the E string. Okay, I don't clap all strings because I want the sound to ring out from the chord since we're just playing with single downs. So otherwise you will just kill the sound. Now you want it to ring out, so you just clap on the E string with a thumb or so, and that's enough. So 1 down. Try to aim for the G string, the open G string, and try to do the downstroke and stop at that string. So, and a clap. Next chord is G, 1 down only. Try to do the downstroke to stop at the B string, because you want that note, okay? Just 1 down on G, and then the D. You can do that, just a short downstroke on the bass strings here. So it's open D, 2nd G. The 2nd G is important here because that is the note you want to go for, but you can also continue to the 3rd B string if you get that one, because it's a very short downstroke. If you get that one, it doesn't hurt too much. But anyway, the 2nd G and this D chord is important. So only 1 down on G, 1 down on D, and then you go for the final chord and play C. Short downstroke here as well. The 2nd D string is the important note, this one. So you're gonna play down, clap for C. So down, clap, and that's the end of the chord progression. So slowly it goes like this. Till the very end. All right, very easy. Conor Maynard's masterpiece. Hope you enjoyed it. Play tuned.